Okay, just gonna make a quick video. We got a leaking exhaust on this 2012 Camry. So we replaced the flex pipe's been replaced before, but it's leaking again. That's just a regular mild steel one. So we're gonna replace it now with this stainless one. So this hopefully will last a little bit longer. The diameter here was a little too wide, so we just bent the edges, so that's a little tapered. Okay, so this is 10 inches long and it is 2.5 inch inside diameter, so it's 2.5 inch ID. So we're gonna weld this back up and get this going. Good. Stop that, you're making all this noise. Sounds like it's coming from the engine. Alright, no more leaks. Okay, so our pipe here, our down pipe here, right here is about 2 1/4, and the back here is about 2 1/8. So we use the inside diameter pipe of 2.5. We had a 2 3/8 pipe, but it actually didn't sleeve over, so we opted for the 2.5 inch. So now we just crimped the lip of the front, the ends of it, by using a vice grip. We crimped it and just bent it a little bit so it folded the edge, so that it reduced the size, so it can fit over the pipe. We got this dentist mirror, so we use that to check our welds, just to make sure that the welds are complete and there's no leaks. So it's a really good tool to have. This one is extendable, so it's great for extending it into hard to reach places. Alrighty, thanks for watching.